What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jake to the in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make trap beats with pads. You know what I'm saying? You know how you be hearing them beats that just be like flowing, almost kind of like a Sexy Red type of beat. You know what I'm saying? You know that beats be real simple as hell. So let's dive right into it. And we're gonna be using personas, but you can do this with anything because it's real simple. You know what I'm saying? Now, whether it's gonna be hot or not, I don't know. That's not up to me. That's up to the people that hear it. But we fixing to do it. So we're gonna come up here. It's not that much of a selection in Studio One for instruments, but we're gonna try combinations. No, we don't really want combinations. We want pads. So really, it's kind of like a Vox. It's gonna be pads up on there. Okay, we make it do something with that. Now we got to figure out. Let's come down here. Let's try to change the key. Kind of like that. Undo that. Okay, this is not gonna go out that far, so let's. Okay, you see how I did that? I started on C and then we ended on C. That brought some resolution. You play with it. When you making a beat, when you making a melody, it's just like anything else. Starting out, start down, then take it wherever you want to within the bar, and then bring it back to resolution. Just like a movie. You know how a movie has an intro, then you got the tension, the drama, the plot, and then it brings it back down. Then you with the outro. Same thing. Just look at a beat, a melody, like you would look at a movie. Man, we want to move that back. Now, I don't know what I'm doing right here, but we're gonna do it. Okay, we're gonna leave that just like that. So I'm gonna show you now. Look, we're gonna take just what I just did, maybe crank it up a little bit in tempo, and then we're gonna come over here and find some drums, some drummy drums. We'll use that, and then let's add some snare. I'm feeling some snare in my head. I like that. So we're gonna use that. Now let's find some hi-hat. Classic, can't go wrong with that. And before we go to the 808, see what we got for some kicks. Alright, that's kind of what I want, because it's kind of a little long, but it's not a real long. You know what I'm saying? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it, dig it, dig it? Come on down here. Look how I did that. Look how I did that. I know it's not labeled right, but I don't care. You can always come back over here, and can't you rename it over here? Rename events. So So you can change that to kick like that. It's probably too much, but you could have just did it right the first time. You got to go back and do all that. Oh, that's hi-hat, ain't it? See, I done did that the wrong. Let's just move that up here, and then we may as well just start over right there. You know, just start right there, right there, right there. And let's name this hi-hat. It's too much. I just messed up my own flow. Messed up my flow. Oh, change that back. Messed up my own flow. I don't know what I'm doing now. All right. Hi-hat for the 15th time. Hi-hat. We'll leave that. All right. Now let's come over here. Get these hi-hats popping. Aki. Gotta get the hi-hat popping. Uh-oh. I don't know what that cut was. Now I could have just did one and copied them out, but what fun is that? Alright, let's come over here with the clap. Come with the with the snare. Now we want to figure out if we want to keep that key. So let's come over here. I kind of like that because it's more attention. Don't y'all think? Okay, now let's come over here. Let's bring that down, bring that back up, because I like to have my stuff in order. Now it's time for the kick. Now I started, let's see. So what's that, D? So we'll start on D. Okay, we're going, too much going on down here, so we're gonna get rid of that. And then we might even want to change that a little bit. Let's come over here. What am I looking for? Sustain is crazy. That's a little better right there. I like it. I like it. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing now. Now, let's see. Let's do some. Turn a little bit of delay on. Oh, yeah, y'all. What about the little chorus? Widen it out a little bit. So you gotta change them sounds up. We just changed it up just like that. Now let's see. Let's go on and loop it out. And then watch this. You can come over here. Well, you can what I fix to say. So that's 8 bars right there. You can duplicate that track, and then let's mute that. Let's come over here, get rid of those. What am I trying to do? Let me try. Let's come over here. Actually, you'll see what I'm doing. You'll see. Oh, doing too much. Duplicate that out. Let's come over here. come right here, and we're gonna get rid of that joint and get rid of what am I doing? Get rid of that joint. I think move that right there. Ooh. Duplicate that right there. We got that joint. Got that joint. Hey. Ooh. Then we're gonna come up here, put some slap on it. Let's use that then. Let's use that then for some slap. And then we're gonna mute that real quick. Then we got that set. Actually, let's come on down here. Duplicate that. And we're gonna change that. So come, we don't want no problems. So we're gonna change that to 808. Ooh, that's not what I did. Do that like that. Let that breathe a little bit right there. Ooh, we're gonna leave that one just like that. So you gotta switch it up a little bit. Now what we sounding like? I'll be coming. Let's come up here and mess this up a little bit. Y'all ain't ready for it. Ooh, we're gonna switch this up, y'all. We're gonna come over here. We're gonna bring that down. We're gonna switch that to 132. Ooh. You see how I did that? How I copied it out, but then I'm going to each one and then switching it up. It's just add a little variety, and then we'll come over here and be like up, bibi, baba, bobo, bibi, dibby, daba. Hey. Ooh, and then it start all back over. So we get rid of them. Hey, coming around, I just seen the game. I be running right off the roof. I be that. Then we're gonna come on this last snare and add some. I don't know what that is. we switched that up 2 on them. We switched that up 2 on them. Get rid of that kick. Yeah. Now let's play. Now let's play the whole thing. And you can just keep adding stuff. What is the feel? Ooh, I like that. Let's add that right there. Hey. Ooh, not the hole. Hey, yeah. Yeah. Hey, set it off. This your boy. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.